car alarm repeatedly wakes up sleeping neighbors. I'm fortunate that most of my neighbors are kind and considerate. We've all enjoyed sharing each other's celebration. However, there's one family among the 5 households that we've never managed to connect with on a personal level. Despite our efforts, such as giving gifts and food, they have always been unresponsive. While there's no animosity, there's also no rapport. Recently, an issue has reached a region that's becoming increasingly troublesome. Their garage is so packed with belongings that they park their car outside. Unfortunately, the car has an extremely sensitive alarm system that goes up multiple times during the night. I have witnessed it being triggered by their cat jumping on the car. The alarm sounds for 15 to 20 seconds and is loud enough to interrupt the sleep, which has been an ongoing problem for the last 6 months. I consider myself a generally easygoing person, but this is frustrating. What's the most respectable way to address this issue with the family, given that we've had limited interaction with them? Sleepy in Bellevue, Washington. Dear Sleepy, write the couple a note and explain that for the last 6 months their car alarm has been waking you up. Point out that the cause may be their cat jumping on the vehicle in the wee hours of the morning, and ask if the alarm can be set to be less sensitive, or if their 40 and family member can be kept inside. They won't know there is a problem if you don't communicate that there is one. I wonder how the rest of the neighbors feel about this. If the disturbance continues, you will have to report it as a nuisance to the Homeowners Association, if there is one, or to the police as a last resort. You have my sympathy.